Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome all to all my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you see how me dress up today? My heart a bleed. Yes, man, my heart a bleed. So, my viewers and subscribers, remember, me hardly can talk because this thing when me go talk to you about close to my heart. Yeah, it's very close to my heart, but I want to just talk about it a little bit. Yeah, to all my viewers and subscribers. First, I want to big up a few YouTubers. Yeah, first I want to big up Oliver Lifestyle, J.A. Go over there, check out him channel, listen to him I say. His opinion may not be your opinion. And remember, Ocean and Nove TV. Check out Young Youth, Young Family. Check him out, Young Farmer. He might do him thing. Check out the channel there. And remember to check out Swizzle. Yeah, Swizzle. Swizzle. Oh, you go. Swizzle at Kitchen. Yeah, man. Remember to check out Swizzle at Kitchen. And guys, we have a new one. Check out Fluffy Diva TV. Yeah, man. Check them out. She, they over England, I cook some Jamaican food and I do her thing. Yes, and remember, Murphy Family TV. And don't forget Mackie. Yeah, man, don't forget Mackie Adventure TV. You don't know, go have a few more names, but I could get into the thing. Now, to all my viewers and subscribers, this video, I can't show the video. And the reason why I can't show the video is because them have a song in the video. And me don't want to get copyright because the song is my song. So me don't want to get copyright. So me not go play the song. Me not go play the video. However, me go talk about the video. These two people, you see right there, sir? Yeah? Husband, wife. Yes, man. Husband and wife. So, Colaz Smith TV in a St. Vincent. I reach out to each and every one. Because this lady here, cancer. Yeah, man. Cancer. You know cancer close to me now because the cancer take away my father. So this lady here have cancer and need a lot of help. Now my viewers and subscribers, hear me out. She need money. She need prayer. She need everything. Colaz Smith TV in St. Vincent, I do some things for her and need every help they can get. You can go over on Colaz Smith TV and watch. Look at it's guys, let help if you can. Any assistance is greatly appreciated. So go over there and watch the video. How you also can help is keep watching that video. And each time you see the ads come up, watch the ads. Because the more you watch the ad is the more income come in to the channel and to Colaz Smith. So Colaz Smith can more help with all the help that she need. And then Colaz Smith TV St. Vincent can do what them can do to her. Also, how we can help, it doesn't, listen to people, listen to viewers and subscribers. You know, if you have money for help anybody, a word of prayer, a word of encouragement, a word of goodness, just a good word. Just put in the word. Just ask Father God, stretch out your hand, put out your hand. Ask Father God to help this young lady. Because see there, the most important thing, the husband, the man, nah left her side. which is very important. Enough man out there would have run gone. Yeah, man, let's be honest. Enough man out there would have run gone left her. No, him nah run left her. So go over, watch the video, and see what she a say. See what him a say. I think if you need to go and listen to what him a say. Because what him a say, him nah left her go nowhere. So to all viewers and subscribers, what me a try to say is, give a helping hand. If you not have the coin, if you not have the dollar, a word of prayer is good. Because, tell you the truth, me have the money. And me put in the money, 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 me put in the prayer. And him live with us for a long time. Yeah, man, him live with us for a long time. And we get the opportunity to talk with him, sit down with him, shave him, because let me tell you what him tell me, say. Him said to me one day, me go look for him in the hospital, him say, man, you know, see me want to shave, man. And me look upon him and me say, you want to shave? Him say, yeah, man, I want to shave, man. Because him no keep ear upon him face or upon him head. And the reason for no want to keep the ear upon him head, and we never know that, is because the ear are come off because the cancer eat off the ear. So him take off all that ear and say, him no want to have no ear upon him head. And we never know, say, that happened to him. So, me shave him. And when me shave him, him looking at the glass. Him say, what glass? Me give him the glass, looking at it, and him say, you say, Rona, so want to shave some more, man. And him said, give me it, man. And him shave it himself. So me and him have some nice moments. But, my viewers and subscribers, cancer is no joke. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you something about cancer. Cancer now go come look for you and say, oh, I know your time yet. Cancer now go look for you and say, oh, I know your race me I look for. Cancer now come look for you and say, oh, you have too much money, me now stop with you. Cancer now come look for you and say, oh, you not have no money, so me go take you. Cancer now look for no special person. Each and everyone born with a cancer cell in them body, it just left to who and when it go act up. So my viewers and subscribers, if you don't have the money, if you don't have the kind, say a word of prayer. You can go down on your knee. You can pray when you're in the shower. You can pray while you drive. You can pray any time of the day. Morning, noon, and night. You can ask Father Jesus for help this young lady. You can ask Father Jesus for send the money to this young lady. You can ask Father Jesus for do just about anything for this lady. And not only this lady alone. You can ask Father Jesus for bless everybody, every cancer patient, every human being on this earth. This is close. This it home. Yes. To all of my viewers and subscribers out there, I start a small foundation. I will give the name of it, and I will give some more information about it. I have to contact some people in Jamaica, make sure everything is all right and ready. Until when that happens, I will keep it a little close to my heart because people do need help. Cancer is no joke. And remember, cancer can be cured. It's not like it cannot be cured. Early detection, early find out, early treatment can cure the cancer. I wish I knew that my father have cancer 35 years ago. I wish I knew. Yeah, man, I wish me did know. If me did know, say my father have cancer 35 years ago. Today, maybe, not a sure thing, but maybe he would still be with us today. So to all my viewers and subscribers, you know my condition. Me can't talk about this too long, because every time I start talk about it, it hit home, it hit the heart, it hit the brains, and it hit everywhere. So, my viewers and subscribers, me a beg you, me a ask you, a word of prayer, a word of prayer, a word of prayer for this lady and for the husband and for the family, because him a work, him a do as much as him can to gather the money that she need to save her life so she can live a little longer. Also remember, when you are pray, remember say, nobody know what go happen tomorrow to her or to even us. So we go pray for tomorrow, for today, and for long life, long lasting life, because none of us don't know the time, the place, or the hour. Hey. Whew. I tell you. Hey, so anyway, what I say, me not gonna go too long with this. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, just pray for her, man. Just pray for her. Yeah, just pray for her. Me don't know her, and she don't know me, but anyway, my viewers and subscribers, enough respect from Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Peace and love. I'm out. See you next time. Blessings.